Here are some classic Paw Patrol toys. They retail for about $12. So these are the original ones, not any of the special kind that they make. Make sure to subscribe if you like my videos. So first, this is a classic Marshall fire truck. There's a spot for Marshall. It has the ladder. So the ladder goes up and down. And then this is classic Marshall. His legs move. And he sits in the fire truck. And then this is classic Zuma. And there he is. And his legs move as well. And this is his Hovercraft vehicle that he fits inside. And then what's cool is on the back, you could spin this and they turn. And then this one is classic Rebel. So there he is. Again, his legs move. This goes up and down, and it also wheels and turns when you wheel it. And this goes up and down as well, like that. So these are 3 of the classics. They still do sell the classics, and they're a very good starter for a new Paw Patrol fan for the classics. And then, of course, they make all different other ones that you've seen in my other videos, walking the toy aisles of Paw Patrol. But the classics are always good to start.